Webinar, public profile, and images. One of the most powerful ways to promote your webinar is using your public profile page and custom images. First, start with your logo or images. Under Account, click on Manage Photos. Here, you can upload your images that are for your webinar login page, avatar, and your registration and invitation image, such as a company logo. To set up your public profile page, navigate to this page under Account and fill in your areas you want your audience to see. For example, the area called Add some information about yourself is the personal welcome message you might display on your public profile page. Make sure you set your profile to public. Then go ahead and select Preview to see how everything looks. Your public profile page is a great place to send people to register for your upcoming webinars or to see your past webinar recordings if you want to share those.